What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to watch how I get my hair like this in this sleek ponytail, just stay tuned. Make sure you go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and like this video. Alright, so I look bummy right now. I have no makeup on. My hair is obviously not in the ponytail, but I'm about to do my little peekaboo trick. Boom, whoa, who dat, new person. I was clearly feeling myself with this curly hair after the makeup. Like, I was really about to come up with a whole new video idea, but I was like, that's gonna defeat the whole purpose. But anyways, I just wet my hair, damp it up, you know, get it maintainable. Is that even a word? And then after that, I just do my little part. I wanted to do a side part. I was gonna do a middle part, but I was like, nah, I'm feeling the side part. And then I just spray my hair again so I could be able to brush it. And yeah, you just brush it down the way you want it. I'm gonna do like a little swoop in the front. You'll see. Then you're gonna get your gel. You don't really need a whole lot, just put it on the parts that you're gonna brush down and make sure you have enough. And sorry guys, that didn't show me putting my hair in a ponytail, but after I put it in the ponytail, I'm just gonna bring my hair that's in the front a little forward, like a little bit on my forehead, to make it have that little swoop look. And I was trying to do like a little swirl look, so I added some more gel to my edges to try to complete that look. So I'm done with that. Now I have to add on the weave. Can you turn that down? So now I have to add the weave. Wet my shirt from the water. I know y'all saw me like. But anyways, this is a leftover hair that I got when I got my sewing. Yeah, I took it out. So I'm just gonna use this one bundle that I didn't use. I think it's enough. Oh, yo, girl, what the feet? So I'm just combing my hair out. I normally don't use this kind of comb to comb my hair out, but my sister didn't want to go get my comb for me out of my bathroom, and I didn't feel like getting up. So, bro, I got some good hair. Look at that. I'm acting a fool. My hair's so short. Not that much came out though. I ain't really tripping. But after you do that, you're just gonna get your weave. Oh, shepherd. Just like this curly hair, it gets really like tangly. Like this middle part is really tangled right now. Okay, whatever. And I like to get it by two, like not two, but I like to fold it in half, then I start, because that just makes it easier. I really need bobby pins. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll be back since I gotta go grab bobby pins. Alright, so I got the bobby pins, and my earring did come out when I was brushing my hair. Alright, so that's done, whatever. Now, I get the end that's like open. You see how these two are open instead of this end. I'm gonna do that end. Or should I do this? Yeah, I'm gonna do this end first. And then you just get your bobby pin first. For this one, I use these bobby pins, in particular the ones that are open, not the closed one, because these are really good hair pins. Like, it really pins everything down. Put like 2 of those on in the beginning, and then you just keep wrapping. Alright, so I made it to the end. This is where those 2 pieces are that are open, and then you just clip those. I want it to kind of be more thick, so I might get one more bundle. Should I, or should I just leave it? But it's still cute. I guess I'll just leave it. Then get this a little piece and just wrap it around. Alright, so that's how you get that. I forgot to add my hoops, so let me go get my hoops. This is like the icing to the cake. Don't forget your hoops, girl. Especially if you're wearing a pony, you have to have the hoops. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Everybody just keep liking and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks to my loyal subscribers. But thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.
Purpose, admit that you're scared.